Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the exact inputs, vertex coordinates or side lengths. Once you have A, B, C coordinates, pick the vertex whose median you want. This tells you the opposite side to bisect. Now compute the midpoint of that opposite side, averaging its endpoints coordinates if using coordinates, or locate the midpoint physically if using a ruler. This first step sets up all subsequent calculations, so make sure those numbers are correct before proceeding. Once you've chosen the opposite side, apply the midpoint formula. Average the x values and the y values of that side's endpoints. That gives M the midpoint. If you work from side lengths instead, measure the side and mark half its length precisely. Use a compass or ruler for accuracy. Label that midpoint M so you don't lose track visually. This step is crucial because a median always connects the chosen vertex to that midpoint. Everything else follows from this single construction. Now draw a straight line from your chosen vertex to midpoint M. That line is the median. If you used coordinates, verify by computing distances from M to the two endpoints. These should be equal, or recompute midpoint averages. If they match, the median is correct. Once done, label the median and, if desired, compute its length using the distance formula. If something looks off, recheck the midpoint calculations and measurement precision to catch small arithmetic or drawing errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.